Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm gonna show you how to get CapCut on your phones again on Android, okay, and on computer. So let's get it going. All right, so first things first, the easiest. CapCut has a desktop application. So does TikTok. So we're gonna search up CapCut here, and we're gonna go right here, and we're gonna go to the site here. We're gonna hit download. You just downloaded CapCut. CapCut is back, full effect. Wait, what did it say? Oh, it said it can't download. You know why? Because I got it on IDM. I got it in IDM. Download. Okay, but now that it download, it's gonna start up here. Let me see. Go to downloads here. Check it. Straight jacket. Excuse me. All right, so we got this going on here. So with that though, I'm gonna pull it up on my phone actually, and show you that CapCut is no longer in the Play Store. So let's see. All right, so now that I'm on my phone here, we're going to open up CapCut on the Play Store. I put Cupcake. Oh my goodness, what is it called? CapCut? Oh, CapCut. Okay, here we go. All right, bet. Looking for CapCut. Download the pause. All right, so it's not on here. Bet. All right, bet. So you know what we're gonna do, right? We're going to go to. We're gonna go to APK Pure, right? APK Pure, it's legendary. I'm gonna drop the link in the description below. You already know what it is. Dropping that link in the description below. And by the time we do that, we also have CapCut downloading right now on the PC. CapCut downloading right now. CapCut is now testing environment. CapCut is now on your computer, so you're able to get it on your computer. That's great. So CapCut is still alive and well. Not only that, if you didn't see my other video, you're able to install TikTok on here as well. As you can see, there's all these other TikTok apps on here that you can download. But along with that, you're allowed to download CapCut. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to download CapCut here. The first one on the top joint. Wait, where'd it go? First one on the top joint. We're going to hit install. And we're going to go from there. Install. All right, it's going to install CapCut. Once it's finished installing, we are going to download. Okay, we're going to hit continue here. We're going to let that do its thing and open up CapCut on the computer. And once this is finished, we'll open it up on the Droid. Hold on. All right, CapCut is trying to open on my desktop right now, but it's being real weird. It's acting like a ghost right now. Like it's showing up, but it's like like y'all know how it goes. It's like trans. That was a bug. It's like trans. Out of here, bruh. What are you doing? All right, there's like a transcript. Oh, it's telling me install CapCut in 2 steps. Wait, why is it? I don't even know. All right, I'm gonna open on my phone. That's the majority of this thing anyway. Okay, there we go. CapCut is back on your Android device here. I don't use CapCut, so I don't know. But there it goes. Back on the app. Back on the what the freak? Okay, they got a template. What the heck is CapCut? Okay. All right, bull. All right, bull. All right, no, we good. All right, anyway, we're off that. CapCut's back on the phone, and that's how you install it on Android. I don't know what it's doing on the PC right now. Let me X out of this. Why is it like this? Why is it like, it's like see-through, bro? I don't, this is how you install CapCut on the computer. Yo, please leave in the comment section, like, what is going on with CapCut, and why is it on drugs? CapCut. Let me open it up again, app. Oh, there we go. All right, y'all. You already know what it is. I appreciate y'all as always. AquaTechies. You already know what it is. Let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.